Hello, my name is Alex Carnifex, and today I'm going to do a simple and easy tutorial on how to remove, clear, and delete all your cookies in Google Chrome. First, I want you to open Google Chrome. Then I want you to go to the right-hand top of the screen. I want you to click on Settings. After you click on Settings, I want you to go all the way down. You're going to click Advanced, and then you're going to click on Clear Browsing Data. And then you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on Cookies and Other Site Data, and you're going to check that, and then you're going to clear data, and then press Clear Data. Then exit Google Chrome, and then reopen it, and all your cookies are gone. Hopefully this YouTube video was informative. Subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos for some more amazing content. I'm Alex Carnifex, and I am out.